Hello, good morning guys, how are you doing? My name is Haida from IT Sunday, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a nice football website. Now let me show you the kind of football website we want to build before we continue. Now this is the football website we want to build. As you can see, this is the football website we want to build. Now with a nice sticky header, immediately you scroll down, and when you scroll down again, can you see it? And with a nice about us section, we are seeing it, and some services will render and galleries, and it's mobile friendly, and this is a call to action, and this is a footer section. Hope you are seeing it. Okay, so let's go check the about us page. So this is the about us page, and you can scroll down to see a lot about it. Can you see it? About the club, can you see it? This is a slider here. Okay, let's go down, and this is the TV section, and this is another section again, and this is another. This is talking about what we do, and this is another aspect again. I talk about the value of the football club and the footer section. And you can check the donation page, the gallery page. You can just click here to check the donation page. This is the donation page. It's all about the foundation of the organization and something like this. Cool. So you can check the contact us page. This is the contact us page. Can you see it? You can check the gallery. This is gallery. Now without wasting much of time, I'll be showing you how you can build all this website. I spent a couple, maybe 5 hours or 4 hours or 3 hours on this site, so I'll be showing you how you can build it, and I'll make sure everything we're doing is very easy to go about. And we are building this site from scratch. So I built it from scratch, so I'm going to show you how you can go about it. So the first thing you need to do is, let's come here. This is the site we want to use now, and this is the front end. Let me refresh so you guys can see. Can you see this is the front end? The first thing we need to do is to install our themes, and the name of the themes we'll be using is Cadence. Now to install your theme, you come to your backend, and you come to your appearance, and you come to themes. So click on themes. When you install your themes, when you click on themes, it's going to take you to this place. Now click on this add new, and when you click on this add new, it's going to take you to this place. Just scroll down and look for Cadence. Okay, this is it, and click on install, and click on activate. So click on activate. Now immediately you activate your Cadence theme, you can come back to the front end and refresh to see the new site. Come on, nice. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to go to our backend again and go to plugin, and this time around we're going to install we're going to install the list of plugins we need to build our site. But here, anytime you install a WordPress, there is a default plugin that comes with it. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on this place, and we're going to click on bulk action and click on delete. So all these 2 plugins that come with the WordPress, we're going to delete them. So click on apply and click on OK. Now you just need to wait for it. Now fine, the next thing you need to do now is to start installing your plugin. Click on add new, and when you click on add new, I have a list of all the plugins we need. We just need 6 plugins. The first one is classic widget. Just click on it, copy it, come here, paste it here. So once it's loaded, this is it. Click on install. So click on add new again. Let's search for another one again. We are not going to activate them yet. The next one we need is Elementor. Come here, delete it, paste Elementor and search for Elementor here. Now what you need to do is to click on install now. Now when you click on when you search for Elementor, you are going to see this Elementor, this one, and there's still another one again. So we have installed this Elementor now. So we need to also install this one, essential add-on for Elementor. This is it. So click on install again. When you scroll down again, you see element sites, element kit Elementor. In case you don't know, you can come here. This is the name. I can make this file available. Element site kit or element kit elite. This is it. Just click on install. Also, when you search for Elementor, you are going to see all the theory. We're going to see this one. When you scroll down, you're going to see this one, and you're going to see this one. So that is it. So I think it remains one more plugin to install. It remains Forminator. You can decide to use Forminator or to decide to use WP Form. Well, let's go by Forminator. Or should I use Forminator or WP? Okay, let me use Forminator. Control C. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to come to the search button and delete this and search for Forminator. So when you search for it, it's going to load this. Can you see? Just click on install now. And if you like, you can use WP Form, any form you like. I just decided to use Forminator because of, let me just try them out tonight. While the last plugin we need is Lightspeed. It's not a compulsory. You can just install it in case you want your site to have a little bit of speed, but it's not a must. So I'm going to come here and search for this. So when I search for this, it's going to load up. This is it. Just install. Now when you install now, cool. All you need to do now is to come to all your install plugin. Can you see? All the plugin you install have a particular place they are saving. So and this is the place. Just click on install plugin. This place show you the list of all the plugins you have installed. So just click on this place. So this will automatically highlight them and come here and click on activate. So if you activate them and click on apply now. So this will do what? It will activate all the plugin you need to do what? To build your site. Can you see now? They are all activated. Now fine. The next thing we need to do now is to do what? To start creating our page. Now to create our page, just come to pages and click on all pages. Now when you click on all pages, you're going to see some pages here. You're going to see like something like private policy. I'm going to say like sample page. All you need to do is click on this and delete them. We don't need them. Move to trash and click on apply. So now when you click on apply now, all those plugins have been deleted. All those pages have been deleted. Now we just want to start creating our own page, and we need 6 pages for this site. And these are list of all the pages we need: home, about, news, gallery, contact, and donate. So let's start without wasting much of time. Click on add new. So when you click on add new, it's going to load this page for you. Just close this place and come to this place and type home. Come to this default template, click on it and click on Elementor full width. Can you see this is it? And click on publish. The minute you've done that, come here again. Let's go and click on another add new again. Click on add new again. The next one we want to create now is about us. You can create about us. Change the default template, change it to Elementor full width and click on publish. Now let's come again for the third one. So I think the third one is we can create our contact us. Let's create the contact us page. Now come to default template, change it to Elementor full width. Can you see it? And click on publish. Cool. Now the next one we need to do now is let's go and create another page again. Now the next page we want to create now is let's create gallery. Click on default template, change the Elementor full width and click on publish. Cool. Okay. Now the next one we want to do now is to come back here. I think let's see how many pages we have created. It remains 2 pages. We need news and donation page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to type news I'm just going to leave that because that is where we're going to post our stuff, so we don't need Elementor full width. Just click on publish. So come here again and let's search for another thing again. Let's add another page again. Now this page, now we're going to ask for donation. We're going to add our donation. Cool. Click on publish. Should I make it donation? I'll be donate. Sorry, let me cancel it and let me make it donate and change it to Elementor full width. I click on publish. Cool. Let's go back to our dashboard now. I hope you are getting this tutorial. Now if you are first time or you are just watching my YouTube channel for the first time or my video tutorial for the first time, please, I will encourage you, I will persuade you to please click on the subscribe button. And I believe that we can grow together. You can actually share my YouTube channel with your loved one, let them know about the leading web design training, let them know that there's a particular web design, there's a particular guy or brand that train people on web design for free. So please, I really need more subscriber. Please share my YouTube video to your loved one and your status, and I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for doing that. Now let's continue our tutorial. Now the next thing we need to do now is that since we have created all our pages, we need to go and create menu, because if you look at this page now, let me refresh and let's wait for some. You can see, but these things are not arranged. So we need to create a menu. Let's go back to our page. Let's go back to appearance and let's click on menu. This is the menu. So when you click on menu, just scroll down and click on here. Click on main menu. Just click on main menu and click primary and click on create menu. So when you do that, fine, the menu has been created. All you need to do is to scroll down. Now let's add some pages to the menu. So I'm going to come to this place and I'm going to click on all, select all. I'm going to add it to menu. Now if you look at this, there are two home page here. This is one, which is page, while this one, this is custom lay. I'm going to take out this one and delete it, remove it. Now the next thing, I'm going to arrange it. Home first, about us follow, news follow, gallery follow, contact us. Let me check this one. Okay, donation is the last one. Okay, donation will not be part of this. Contact us will be the last one. So I'm going to remove donation from this page. Just follow what I do. Remove this. So now my contact us will be the last one. I'm going to take out this contact us back to this place. So cool. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's what I want. Click on save menu. When you click on save menu, we're going to create more menu again. Let's create another menu again. Click on create new menu. We're going to call it footer menu. Just call it footer menu and click. Don't tick anything here, just click on create menu. So when you click on create menu, you're going to come here to add the footer menu. Just come here and add, click on select all, but remove these two. Okay, let's just add it. We remove those we did not want. So the first thing is that I don't want this home page. So I'm going to remove it. I don't want this. Okay, I think I want this 5. Let me check the footer menu. Let me see how many pages there. Okay, this 5, that's cool. So I'm going to come back here again. I'm going to rearrange them. About us first. Let me see the next one. About us, news, donate, gallery, and contact. About us, news, donate, gallery. Yeah, cool. I like it like this. You can arrange it the way you like it. No crime in it. I'm going to click on save menu. I won't click on anything here. I'll just click on save menu. So when I click on save menu and I come back to this place to refresh, now our page is arranged now. But if you look at this place, it is not under home. If I click on home now, it will now go to home. So I want the name of the website to be, I want, for example, now if I click on okay, hey guys, now let me show you something. If I come here and click on and I press enter, now I want it to be showing under home. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to this place, go to my appearance, go to my setting rather. Setting, I'm going to click on reading. Can you see reading? And I click on reading, I'm going to change it to a static page. I'm going to make it so my own page to be home page, home, and my post page to be news. I'm going to click on save changes. Cool. So this is just before that again, I'm going to do something about this setting again. Let me scroll down. I'm going to change my permalink. Let me change my permalink. Can you see? I'm going to scroll down to post name. This will really help my SEO. So I'm going to scroll down to click on save changes. I hope you are following my tutorial. Cool. Now fine, the next thing is that let's view this. Let's come to this place and let's refresh. Can you see now? It is now under home. Okay, let's start designing our site. So I'll click on edit page, editing, open a new tab. I want to edit it in a new tab. Let me start from home and I'll click on edit with Elementor. So when I click on edit with Elementor, it's going to open the Elementor stuff to me. So I'm going to wait for it to load. Now guys, what I need to do is just to close out of this place. Sorry, let me just, what I do is that I need to see this close. I want to close out of this, so I reduce my size, screen size, so I can see this close option. So I've closed out of this place. Cool. I'm going to close out of this place also. Now I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now for me to start my design, if I'm to design this from basic, from scratch, all these sites from scratch to the end, it's going to take like 3 hours, 4 hours, and I know many of us will not have the time to stay here for like 3 hours, 4 hours. So what I'm going to do is that I've converted, can you see, I've downloaded this thing into template. So all I need to do is just to install the template, and I will give you how to get access to this template at the end of this video. So what I'm going to do is come to this home page, click on this plus button. Don't worry, you will get access to this template. Don't worry about yourself, just see how I do it. Click on this add template, click on this add template, and I'll come to my template. Can you see my template here? Now when I come to my template, I'll wait for it to load. Okay, I didn't have any template here. Okay, I can come here and click on import template. Can you see this pencil? Click on import template. When I click on it, it's going to attempt me to select the file. Can you see? I'm going to select this file. When I select this file, I have on my desktop, come to my desktop, I have a folder for football templates. Can you see? I have the one I create for music, but this one I'm going to come to football template, click on it. When I click on all it, I'm going to highlight. Okay, I can't select all of them. Let me just select them one by one. Open, enable import. So I'm going to wait for it to import it. So I will do the, after importing it, I will do the same thing for all. Can you see? This is it. I will still do the same thing for the next one. Let me show you again. Select. So I will click on this one and open again. After, so I will do the third one. After I did the third one, I will pause the video to do the remaining two. Fine, cool. Let me do the third one again. Select, and I'll click on the third one. Click on open. So the same way I did for the first one, second one, third one. Can you see that here? So let me pause the video and install the remaining two. So guys, this is all the 5 templates for each page. Now this one is home page, so I'm going to pick, and I wanted to design the home page for this place, so I'm going to pick for the home page. So I'm going to come to this Elementor and click on insert. Can you see insert? Can you see it? Click on insert. So when I click on insert, I'm going to click on this over. I'm going to click on apply. So when I click on apply, all I need to do is just to wait for some few minutes and everything will be done. Can you see it? Everything is here. Let me just wait for like few minutes to get everything done. So can you see it? Everything is here. Everything. What I mean everything. Can you see it? Everything. All I need to do is just to click on update. So when I click on update, the site is ready. I can click on preview. Let me preview the changes. So guys, can you see everything is being done within a few minutes? So that means you can design this website within few minutes. Can you see what really cost me hours upon hours for me to finish? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on about us. When I click on about us now, let's edit it also. So I'm going to close out of this one. I'm going to close out of it. I'm done with the home page. I'm going to come to about us. Let me click on edit in a new tab. When I click on edit in a new tab, I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Let me wait for it. Okay, this is it. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Can you see it? So click on it. So when you click on edit with Elementor, all you need to do is just to wait for it to load, and when you wait for it to load, it's going to load up this for you. So can you see it now? This is it. Now don't forget, we have installed all our template. I will just click on this middle place, click on it. When I click on it, I'm going to come to my template. So when I come to my template, it's going to load all the template I've installed. Now I'm going to click this one, this about us. So I'm going to click on insert and I'm going to click on apply. Now immediately I click on apply, all I need to do is that just to click on save, because it's going to install all the templates for me. Can you see it now? Just wait for like 1 minute. Can you see it? Everything has been installed. Everything. Now if you want to change anything, you can come and click on this place, and when you click on this place, you can see where to edit it. If you want to edit anything, you can click on this place and it will show up to you here. If you want to edit anything here, click on this place, it will show up to you here and you can edit it. If you want to edit this image slider here, click on this pencil icon, you will see all the image here. Just click on this place if you want to edit it, and if you don't like it, you can you can cancel the gallery, or if you want to add more image to it, you can click on add more image to it. But click on add more image, it's going to show you all the image you have in your media, stuff. But because I don't want, I'm not adding anything to it, I'm just showing you how to go about it. So I'm going to leave it like that. You can scroll down if you want to change it. If you want to delete anything, you can just, if you want to delete here, just click on this and click on and right click and you will see delete here. If you want to delete the whole section, just click on this star button, it should delete it for you. Hope you're getting it. So all I need to do is just to come to my here and click on update. So immediately I update, also I can preview it. Can you see it? And the beauty part of this is that everything, if you want to check the mobile version, everything is very responsive. Can you see? They are all responsive. You don't have to worry yourself on anything at all. They are all responsive. Can you see it? So you see it. So you don't have to worry yourself on anything at all. So since our site is being done and our about us is being done, so I'm going to close out of this and close out of this. Let me just refresh here. Let me refresh our, can you see it's done? The next one is our contact us. So guys, now let's continue. Let's start with our contact us page. Now since we have designed our own, we have designed our about us, now the next page is our contact us page. Okay, let's click on edit page in a new tab. Let's open a new tab. So let's come here. I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't worry about the template. I'm going to give you access to it, or I'm going to tell you how to get access to the template. You don't need to worry yourself, and you don't need to stress yourself from designing from scratch again. I have actually, you know, do that so that you won't need to worry yourself, and that's what Jesus did for us. Now we just need to wait for this. Now as we are waiting for this, like I said something like the other time, I said Jesus did something for us. See, Jesus actually passed through all we need to pass through so that we can enjoy what he has paid for. Likewise, I have actually, you know, passed through all the pain, all the time that you guys need to pass through so that you can enjoy what I have passed through. So all you just need to do is just to follow my video tutorial and do what I told you to do and install the templates. You get access to everything I have here. So guys, now we are in the contact us page. All we need to do now is to come to this place. Can you see this particular? Click on this add template, and let's come to my template. Click on my template. When you come to my template, just click on see this is contact us. Just insert and click on apply. Now one thing about this contact us, there's a particular page that will not show. There's a particular page, and I'm going to show you how to go about it. Can you see this place is not showing? Just click on this edit. When you click on this edit, this is my own contact us form, so it is not your own. Let me show you how to get your own. If you are using Forminator, just come to your dashboard here, come to Forminator here, and where is it? Just scroll down and you will see Forminator here, and click on form. You see that your own form will be empty. There will be an empty form here. Let's wait for it to look. Can you see it is empty? So click on create. When you click on create, just click on contact us form and click on continue, and name it. You can name it, just call it contact us. Contact us. So that's the name of the form. Click on create. So when you click on create, it's going to create a form for you. Can you see by default it's going to create a default form for you. If you like, you can decide to edit the form the way you like it. Can you see it? Now I want to do something. I want to come to appearance. Now I want the form to show like this material. Can you see it? I want the form to look like this, and then all I need to do is to click on publish. Can you see? Within few minutes, can you see this is the shortcode that we need now. Just click on this, copy and close it. You are done with this. So come back to your contact us Elementor page, and inside this place delete this one. This is the one that come with my own, and paste your own here. Now can you see the form has actually come out? Nice. Wow, that's cool. So click on update. So we are done with that. So let's close out of this. Let's close out of this and let's refresh. Can you see? Wow, that's cool. Can you see we are getting the same thing we have here? The same thing we have here, that is what we are getting. Can you see? Still the same thing. Now let's go back to our gallery and let's start editing. Open in the new tab. So I'm going to come here, and I come to this place. I'm going to click with edit with Elementor. When I click with edit with Elementor, all I need to do is just to install the template. I don't need to worry myself, and that is why I'm telling you that within few minutes, within an hour, we'll have completed this website. Now imagine you get this job for like, okay, you want to design a website for a football club, and you get it for like 150k. You buy domain and hosting for like maybe like 15k or 20,000 naira. You buy data of 5,000 naira, make it 25. It remain 125k. That means 125k is your gain, and within 1 hour you are done with it. So guys, if you're following my tutorial, this is a way to make money. Just go outside there. You have learned this. Go outside there, search for football club, football teams, or football club in your area. For example, now I'm in Ondo State now, Akumba precisely. I can just search for football club in Ondo State. I will see a lot of them. Can you see? Sunshine. If aside that, you will see some other football club. Can you see? You will see some other football club, and before you know it, you can start approach them. I can help them to design it. I can help you to design a nice website. This is the one. I just make sure you have this one, you have designed this one, so you can just show them this is the site I've designed and it's very nice. Nobody will see that they will not want to contact you. Wow, that's cool. Before you know it, they will contact you and they will give you the job, and before you know it, you start making your own money. That is how to go about it, guys. So let's continue our training. So we're in gallery section. So click on this particular place, click on it. When you click on this place, come to my template and click on gallery. Search for this is it, gallery. So just click on insert and click on apply and wait for like 1 minute. So in the next 1 minute, everything is going to set. Everything is set. Can you see, guys? Can you see it? Everything is set. Everything. Just scroll down. Don't worry about how it look like here. Don't worry. Just click on save changes, update, and when you click on update here, just wait for it to update. Now can you see it has been updated? Now come to your gallery here. Don't worry about this, just come here and refresh. Control. Can you see everything? Can you see everything is set here? Cool, everything is set. Now let's check the same gallery we have here. Let's maybe with the same thing. Can you see? Can you see it's the same thing? Can you see we're having the same thing we have here? So now let's come to this donate page. Now let's see how the page look like. This is a page. Okay, I'm going to close out of this place because I'm done with this place. I'm going to come here. Now it should be one page. I decided not to add it to this particular menu here because there's a reason. I want to make it a button. So okay, how do I get to be? Let me come to my dashboard. My dashboard here. Sorry, my dashboard here, and let me come to all page. Can you see all pages? There's this one last page, which is donate page. Can you see this is it? And click on edit, open in a new tab. So I can, okay, let me just come to this place. This is the donation page. Can you see? Click on edit with Elementor. No, let me show you how I get to this place first. Let me close it. I come to pages here and I click on this donation page. I know that is the only page that is not in our home page here, in our pages here. So I come back to my backend and I come to pages, all pages, and this is why I see this, and I click on edit and I open it in a new tab. And when I open it in a new tab, I wait for it to load, and all I do is that I click on edit with Elementor. When I click on edit with Elementor now, it's going to load it page for me. Yeah, there's another thing I noticed now that I will teach you how to go about it. Now let's wait for it to load the Elementor stuff for us so we can start editing our site. Our site, it has come up. Now what we need to do is come back to this drag button, this middle button. Can you see it? When you come to, just click on it. When you click on it, come to my template. When you come to my template, just click on donate. Look for donate page. Can you see this is it? So just come here and click on insert and click on apply. Now if you get this this template and you are having issued with any page anyway, just reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you on how to go about it. Now you can change this name. Once you click on it, it will open here for you. Put your name here if you like. If you want to put, let us mean I want to put demo. Can you see it? But I will be returning back to deleting. I'm just doing this so that I can see it. Deleting football club. You can put anything. Now what I want to do is that this donate page, I want to edit it. I want this donate now. If you click on it, you see that is the previous site. This particular donate one, this page, that is the one you are seeing here. So I'm going to change this back. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to type contact. I want to do it in such a way that when people click on this donate now, to take them to contact us, and from there they can reach out to us. Okay, we want to donate to your club, blah blah blah. And I'm going to click on update. So I'm going to scroll down. Also, is there any button here? Okay, this is the same button again. Click on here and delete this and link it to my contact us. I'm just going to type contact. So I'm going to load out this for me. I'm going to click on contact us. So anytime anybody click on this donate button, it's going to take them to contact us page where they can write a message to that, okay, we want to donate to your stuff. And if you don't want that, if you want to link them to where they can, you know, create where they can make a donation, straightforward, a donation form where they can just use the ATM to make a donation. I have a video on it, or you can create a page and just create a page. I will be sorry about that. Now, what if you want to link it to a place whereby they can use the ATM to make a, you know, to make a donation, you can either watch my YouTube videos on how to go about that, or maybe if time permits me. I don't want this video to be more than 1 hour. I don't want it to be much at all. If time permits me, I can still do that. Now, once we update this and you come to this, let's view it. Nearly we view it. Can you see it? Our site is nice. The donation section is nice and perfect. Okay, I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to this all pages. Let me just scroll up and come to dashboard there. Yeah, that means we have done all this site we need. Let me close out of this. Let me refresh. Yeah, this is our site. I'm going to close out of this. Now the remaining thing we need, the major things we need to do now is to design this our header to look like this, and to design the footer to look like this. You know, we don't have the footer yet, and that is where the major work lies now. So we're going to start without wasting much of time. Let's click on customize and open in a new tab. I'm still looking for a particular code that I can use that will enable me to copy my headers and my footer as a template. I've not been able to get that. If you know how to go about it, please, you can drop it in the comment section. You know, I believe in learning together. So one of the things I'm going to do now here is I'm going to come to this header. Just click on it. When I click on header, I'm going to scroll down and come to design. So I'm going to come down here. I say the header background is white. I'm going to click on this, and let me see, I can just make it. Let me click on here. Let me see what I use there. Okay, let me just come back here. Let me see the kind of color. Sorry. Okay, I can just make. Let me coming. Okay, let me go by this. Yeah, fine. Okay, you can pick any color you like, anyone you like. So I'm going to come to this logo here, click on this star here. Can you see this star? I'm going to come to site title front, come to this color and change it to white. And I'm going to change it to from inherent, I'm going to change it to Montserrat, because everything we have been using is Montserrat. And I'm going to scroll down, click on Montserrat. This is it. Can you see it's different? I'm going to leave it like this. Fine. Over, I don't need over. So I'm going to come to permanent menu, permanent navigation. I'm going to change it to a design. Okay, permanent navigation. Yeah, the navigation color here, I'm going to change it to white. Can you see it? Fine. Okay, I'm going to come to this over color. I think there's an over here. If you look at it, if you over on it, okay, there's no over. Okay, I'm going to just come here and probably let me just pick here this color. Just come here. Yeah, let me just pick here and come to this place again, active color, and I'll still pick the same thing. Yeah, I think I'm okay like this. So I'm going to scroll down to change the font size, general. Okay, let me leave it. Okay, navigation color, navigation font. I'm going to come here, select font, and change it to Montserrat. Everything we're going to be using in this video is Montserrat. So I'm going to scroll down to where I can click on Montserrat. Yeah, can you see it? If you want to increase the size, you can increase it to 700 if you like, but I'll just leave it to regular, or 500. But I think, let me check here. Regular is okay, we don't need to worry ourselves. Let me just leave it to regular. If you like, you can do anything you like with it. I'm going to click on publish. So I need to add some things to it now. Here we have a button and what, and a social icon. Okay, cool. Let's come here and do that fast because of my battery, so I can go on check. I'm going to click on this place, click on button, and I'm going to click on here again, click on social. Now let's first treat the button. So this is the button. So let me click on this setting here. I'm going to click on donate to edit here. This is the name of the button. I'm going to change it to donate. Can you see it? Oh my god, I've made a mistake. All these settings should have been done in transparent. I'm using transparent header here. The reason why I didn't notice is that if you look at this place, this is transparent header, while if you scroll down, this is sticky header. Oh god. Okay, let me just edit the button fast and make it white, and I'm going to copy the link. I want to link this one to donation. So let me go to the my dashboard. Let me go to all pages, and I'm going to copy the link to donation page. Don't worry about that. Just copy this view. Click on the open. Click on right click and copy the link address. So come to this customization and paste it here. So and come to this icon here. You can click on this pencil here, or come and click on this star button here and make it, come to design, make it outline and make it white. Color, make it white, and overlay, you can make it blue. Now this button, I still want to do something here. This button, come to design. You can leave the color like that, fine, and come to border radius, just give it 20. Yeah, leave it like that, it's okay. You can publish it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back now to edit the mistake I've done. Okay, let me change the font color first to Montserrat, and I'm going to publish. So let me scroll up. I've made a mistake, I'm going to correct the mistake now. I want to make this one a sticky header. Click on header and make it a transparent header rather, and click on turning up. Exactly, this is what I want to do. All the second one that I'm doing is this is what I wanted to do now. So just leave this and just publish straightforward. Yeah, this is what I've been trying to do. The second, what I've been doing this morning is just that one is for sticky header. Okay, now let's come back to our sticky header, our customize, and let's just click on back and click on this sticky header. Can you see it? Click on it and click on yes, enable sticky header. Yes, only on main row. Yes, only on main row. Click on it. And one thing I love about this thing is that it allows you to all these things that the people used to go and they used to charge for it, but this one you get it free. It allows you to use it free. Now if you scroll down, exactly this is what I was expecting. Thank God the thing has come back now, so we don't need to worry ourselves again. Just click on publish. I thought I was wasting my time before. I never knew God is actually helping me to save my time. So let's come back here to this page, to display. Let's refresh. When you refresh, scroll down. Let's scroll down. Can you see now the sticky header is there? Cool. So let's click on this news. This is what we're going to know. Maybe the sticky header will still work. Oh, wow, this is nice. The sticky header will work fine. Cool. Now let me show you how you can edit this your social icon. Come to customize. Now if you want to edit your social icon, you can come here, click on this star. This is where you can add more social icon to it. You can add as many as possible to it. And if you want to set the link, come to set social link. This way you can put the link to your Facebook, link to your Twitter, link to your Instagram, and as many as possible. That is how to go about it. So we are done with the header now. So the remaining page is, let's go to our footer. Let me see, maybe this battery can still continue this footer, or maybe I should go and uncheck. Okay, 38 minutes. Okay, we should be able to do that. Now let's go to here, click on footer. Now the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to click on our design. I'm going to pick this color, our normal color, darker blue. Let's make it more darker. Let me scroll down and see what I'm doing. Okay, a little bit darker. Yeah, cool. So just leave it like this. Hey, sorry, I made a mistake when clicking it. Yeah. Now all we need to do now is to come to this place, general. Let's edit the copyright. The first thing we're going to do is to take away this theme credit, this cadence. I'm going to take it away. I don't want you. Bye. I'm going to put in this. I'm going to type design by deleting web design. Deleting web design. So I want to link this place to my website. I'm going to click on link and I type deleting, www.deleting.com. Can you see? And I'm going to type enter. Now the first thing I want to do about this is that I want to change the color to white. I'm going to come here and change the front to white color. I'm going to change it to Montserrat. Like I said, all the font we're going to be using in this video tutorial is Montserrat. And if you want to, you can decide to come and reduce the size to like 300. Let me just make the size regular, and let me reduce the size style to 15. Yeah, cool. I will come to this link also. Let me come back and let's go to link color. I want to make the link color white so that people will not know that there's a link color here. I can decide to put the over. Let me put an over and make it this our normal stuff. When you over on it, you see this. So I can decide to make it from no underline so that people will not notice the same thing is here. Cool. Okay. Pattern row. Standard. Okay. Yeah, I think we are done. So I'm going to publish first. Yeah, button row. Let me publish first. So as I publish this, I will come to this place now. Now one thing I want to do is that in this place I want to remove the bottom spacing. Can you see bottom space? I want to remove it and make it 0, so there will not be space in this bottom. I love it like that. Okay, let's come here. You know we have one section, second section and third section here. So I want to make this second place fourth section. I'm going to click on this star. Can you see what I want to do? Let me show you what I want to do so they can follow me. I've created this now. I've done with this. I want to create this fourth section, second section, third section and fourth section. I'm going to come to this place and I'm going to click on this star. When I click on this star, let me come to general, and you are seeing, you can see theory. I'm going to make it 4. Can you see? I'm going to make it 4. When I make it 4, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come to this place and add widget 1, widget 1, come to this place, widget 2, come to this place, widget 3, come to this place, widget 4. Now I'm going to come to this bottom place. Just click on, let's scroll up and let's click on design. What I want to do, I want to make the color, the widget title, I want to make it white. Inherit, I want to make it Montserrat. And I will close out of it. Widget content, let me still make it widget content, let me still make it white. Inherent, let me make it Montserrat. You can do anything you want to. Link color, I can just leave it like this, or let me make it white. Now you can, I'm gonna click on, okay, before that I want to reduce, I don't want, can you see there is a little bit of space. I want to reduce all those space. Okay, let me come to general and scroll down. Can you see column spacing, all these bottom spaces? Let me, bottom space, delete. Column space, if you like widget space, top space, I don't want space at the top, I'm gonna delete that. Yeah, cool, I want it like this. So let me go ahead now and start. I'm going to click on publish. Now I'm going to go back to this page, to my dashboard. Now when I get to my dashboard, I'm going to come to appearance and I'm going to come to widget. This is where I want to edit all the widgets. Click on it. I need to go and on the light. Let me go and on the light. Let me pause this video. Yeah, I'm sorry, I just need to put on the lights. Now one of the things, you know how we get to this place, we come to appearance, we come to widget, and the reason why is because we have set widget to this place, widget. So let's come to our widget here. Now the first widget I'm going to pick out is, let me pick this test widget. Can you see? And I'm going to add it to, can you see, footer 1. That means what I'm saying is that, okay, this first widget, I want to add this test widget to footer 1. I'm going to click on add widget. So when I click on add widget, it's going to show me the title and the text. So I'm going to come to this place just to pick the title here, copy this title and come to widget here. Let me drag this one to this place, paste the title here. Naturally, some people can decide to put an image to this place, like their logo, their brand logo, if you want that. But I changed my own. I put text here, I put a few introduction about the brand. This is it, about the football club rather. So I'm going to come to this widget, I'm going to paste it here. Can you see? all I need to do is to click on save. So I'm done with this one now. So the next one I'm going to do now is, let me look at is link, navigation link. Come here, look for navigation link. It's at the top. Let's go down to the top here. This is it, navigation menu rather. Click on it and scroll down, add it to widget 2, footer 2 rather. No, should be, sorry, okay, footer 2, and click on add widget. Don't forget we add this one to footer 1. We're going to add this one to footer 2. This is it. Let me show you. This is footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. Let's see what it's going to have. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to type about us here. I'm going to select the menu. I'm going to pick footer menu. I'm going to click on save. Okay, let's see where we're on the way. Yeah, about us. Cool. Okay, let me make it capital letter. Save. Now let's close this again. The next one is, what is the next one? Is our gallery, image gallery. So let's come here. Next third widget is image gallery. So where is, can you see this gallery? Just click on this gallery and add it to footer 3 and click on add widget. Now come here and type our gallery, gallery, and add image to it. So I'm going to add like 6 image. Let me see those image I add here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'm going to come here, add, let me scroll down, 1 2 3, no, 3 4 5, no. I'm trying to look up because I have the same size. Let me pick this 6. Yeah, they are all the same size. I see sorry by 700. All the sizes are the same size. In case you need the image of this that I use for you to practice, I'm going to show you. I have the image here. I'm going to show you under this football template. I'm going to show you how to get everything. Don't worry, for how to get access to all these things, so you don't need to bother yourself. I'm going to click on insert gallery. When I click on insert gallery, I'm going to click on save. Now the third one is that I have a video link here. This video link. Now what I do is that I will come to this widget and I will scroll down. I will click on video. Can you see this is it? Video. When I click on video, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to add it to footer 4 and click on add widget. So it's going to ask me to upload the video. I'm going to put our training here. Let me see what I put here. Yeah, our training. Let me copy it, paste it here as a title. So I'm going to click on add video. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here to come and add a video. I won't be adding video from here. I'm going to copy a URL from YouTube. So let me come to YouTube and search for what is it called, football training section. This, when I search for that, it's going to load me this. I'm going to show you the one I use. This is the one I use. Can you see? I'm going to click on here. You can just click on this and copy the link. So I'm going to come to this place now, widget, and I'm going to click on insert URL. Can you see insert URL? I'm going to click on it and paste the link here and click on add to widget. Can you see this? And I'm going to click on save. So when I click on save, let's check our site now. Let's check our site now. Everything is done perfectly. Can you see? So let's scroll down. Can you see all this thing? But if you notice something, there is a, this thing is too, you know, still scroll to the top. I think I remove a particular head in here, 30 top spacing. Can you see 30? I'm going to put the 30 here. Top space 30 pixels. Let me click on publish, and I am come and refresh. Control R. Can you see now? Yeah, it's cool now. I think our site is cool. Can you see now? That is how you can build a nice website within few minutes. Can you see it? And when you scroll down, you see a sticky header. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Can you see it? Can you see this? This is nice. Perfectly okay. Our gallery also, everything is perfectly okay and match. Can you see it? And contact us. Cool. Can you see? Everything is done. Nice. So if they want to contact you, they can, you know, click on this call and, you know, give you a call. They can follow you, they can send a mail to you. Okay, we want to donate. You can click on donate. Let's click on donate and let's see what we have done. So there is it. Nice one. Cool. And if you want to do some other thing, maybe you feel like you want them to be able to use their ATM card, you can just come here, click on dashboard, install a plugin. Let's install one particular plugin. Let me just rush this. Click on add new plugin rather. Let me add new plugin. And let me just, that is payment paystack payment form. Let me just start for payment. Let me type of paystack payment form. Paystack payment form. Okay, this is, just click on it, install now. Once you install, see, I think, let me just show you the video so that I don't want this video to be too long. Naturally, that is, they were done with this. I just want to show you how you want them to make a, how to go about it, whereby they will be able to use their ATM card. All you need to do is to come and do the setting, copy your API key. But I have a video tutorial on it. Let me just come to my YouTube channel, because if I'm to do that now, this video will be too lengthy a little bit. Come to playlist and scroll down to my web design course. So just wait for it to load. So you will see the video tutorial on how to create a payment form. So without wasting much of time, now guys, I promise you how you can get, how to get this template for free of charge. And I mean free, how you can get the template. Yeah, now if you need this template, you can, if you are outside the country, you can get this template for just $50. But if you are within this country, Nigeria, you can get this template as cheap as 10,000 naira. The reason why I'm doing this, I'm making this template, is that when we are creating a video, we make, I buy fuel, buy data, buy some other things, and now this is just like a donation to the leading web design, just to help us to be able to continue to have a running course. You know, I've been creating a very nice video tutorial, and I don't demand for $1 from anybody. So this is just one of the ways you can use to donate to the company, so that we can be able to have more fun to finance the video tutorials, like the fueling, like the buying of data and the likes. So that is why we say, okay, if you need this template, you can get this template as cheap as 10,000 naira. So if you want to get this template, you are free to reach out to me on 090. Let me just put in my contact here. You can reach out to me at 090 35382271. I'm going to put my phone number at the bottom of this video, at the video description. You can see